South African Society of Bank Officials, SASBO, is South Africa's biggest financial union, and it has indicated that it will move ahead with its plans to institute a major banking strike in South Africa on Friday the 27th of September 2019. SASBO, which currently has over 73,000 members, will receive additional support from South Africa's largest trade federation, COSATU, as employees down tools over planned retrenchments in the banking sector. Speaking to Business Tech, the union's General Secretary, Joe Kokela, said that he expected between 30,000 to 40,000 members across the financial industry to be involved in the strike action on Friday. This will include protests across the country's major metropolis, including some 15,000 to 20,000 protesters in Gauteng alone. However, Kokela noted that the country's banks were not taking the strike action lying down, and that the union had received an interdict to stop the industrial action. Kokela added that the union would not be deterred by the planned interdict. These are the words of Kokela. "We have been speaking to the banks. They based their planned retrenchments in terms of Section 189 of the Labour Relations Act, arguing that employees were additional to operational requirements. However, this was not proper, and they were hiding under this section as an excuse to retrench. A number of local banks have closed a number of their branches throughout the country as a result of digitalization, which encourages self-service, with clients using their cell phones and computers rather than walking into a branch. Lenders are cutting jobs as they seek ways to lower costs and contend with slow economic growth and fresh competition in the industry from branchless digital entrants such as TymeBank and Insurer Discovery. Job cuts in the country are particularly sensitive as the unemployment rate has risen to 29%, the highest in more than a decade. Absa, Standard Bank, and Nedbank Group have all consulted with staff about cuts in recent months. Absa is restructuring operations across its business units, Standard Bank is closing 91 branches, while Nedbank is in talks with about 1,500 employees over job cuts or redeployments. Please check in the description box below for the links to the sources of this report. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share and subscribe.